Hey, this is Michelle, and Amanda from Your Creative Studios reached out and asked me if I would like to do another unboxing video. This is from last year, October, and the theme was bake. I have already opened it and opened all the packaging, so as always, there's a little thank you card, and then these are always put together so beautifully and curated so nicely. I'm going to slide this over and go through each piece. So there's some washi tape here. It's like the gingham, or I think it's called gingham, but the red like tablecloth pattern. I think it's really cute. And then there's a stamp of like food serving. I don't remember what that's called, but. And then another wood stamp that's a piece of pie. It's so cute. And these are, they say a time machine. Those are cute. Just little stickers with, just little stickers with vintage items in them. I believe they're stickers. Yeah, these are stickers. And then I believe these are stickers as well. Yeah, these are little bits of food, like bread, bakery items, I think. Breads and desserts, pretzels. And then there's some little vintage, these cards. This shows all of them on the back. Oh, these are like little vellum bits. Oh, these are also stickers. I think these are stickers. Yeah. And then there's little bits of vellum papers too. That's so cute. They are super vintage looking. And then these are rub-ons, so there's a little tool. So there's quite a few in here. You get 3 sheets of rub-ons. This might be tissue or a napkin maybe. Not sure. So yeah, these are like sheets of tissue paper, like gift tissue paper. And then there's some clear stickers and another stamp set that's super cute. These are clear stamps. Bake the world a better place. And then there's some little bits, little paper bits. Oh, neat. So I'm going to open this. Okay, so these are little labels, and then there's like some stickers. There's a bunch of different ones, but this is almost like crepe paper. She always has the neatest bits with the neatest type of papers. I mean, this is different. I've not seen stuff like that, so that's fun. Okay, and then last there's a paper pack. These are really pretty. I think I used to have a wallpaper border along those lines. It's sad. And then there's also some vellum sheets that are coordinating. And some sticker sheets as well that are coordinating. So this is the entire box. I am going to pull some things out and figure out something to make with them, just to give you some ideas of what you can do with this kit. I will be right back. All right, I had so many ideas. This was a very inspiring kit, but I wanted to create something kind of outside the box. I'm going to make a little gift for my daughter. It's her birthday in February, and so I had an old candle from IKEA, and I'm going to make it into a little planter. She loves plants and she propagates, and so that's what I'm going to do. But I don't want it to be glass, so I'm just adding a little bit of baking soda to some chalk paint, and that gives it kind of a terracotta or a pottery look. It took 3 coats. And then I just added some other colors on it just to kind of make it look a little bit, I don't know, more earthy and match the label. And that is pretty much it. It is very easy. I just used matte gel medium, and then I did go over top of it with some matte varnish. Then I had this little tin from Trader Joe's, and I painted the top and just the bottom. And then I'm going to use some of the sticky paper to decorate it. I just cut those pieces to size and then just kind of overlapped them. The sticky paper worked perfectly and no extra glue was necessary. I did bring the paint down a little bit on the top and the bottom just so if I didn't have it perfectly on there, it all matched and just kind of looked like it was meant to be that way. But the little planter just fit inside there like it was meant to be, so I thought it made a great gift holder. And everybody loves a handmade gift, and this was so easy to make, and I use very little of the items from the kit, so I still have a lot left for future projects. And then I just used a big circle punch for the top of the tin. I also painted around the edges only because the punch is a little bit smaller than the top of the tin, and this made it look better. I really did enjoy this kit, and I had a lot of fun coming up with something to make. It was fun thinking outside of the box, and I don't know, I love the products in your creative studio. So thanks so much, Amanda. And if you're interested in the kit, I'll have everything linked below. Also, if you have any questions at all, please ask, and thank you for watching.